An artist named Paul Klee once said drawing is taking a line for a walk. When you draw a picture, notice the different lines you use. Let's say you want to draw a tree. You might start with the trunk by drawing two straight lines. Lines that go up and down are called vertical lines. If you want to draw the ground under the tree, you might draw a line across the bottom of the page. Lines that run from side to side are called horizontal lines, and you might want to draw a ladder leaning up against the tree. Lines that lean are called diagonal lines. Think of where you might see these kinds of lines. You see vertical lines in tree trunks, telephone poles, fence poles, and skyscrapers. You see horizontal lines in mattresses or the edge of a table or on the horizon. You see diagonal lines in slides, hills, and ramps. You probably know the names for all other kinds of lines too. Lines can be thick or thin. In the picture above, which lines are thick and which lines are thin? Have you ever been swimming at the beach and been knocked down by a big wave? Well, be glad it wasn't as big as the wave in this picture by the Japanese artist called Hokusai. This painting is called The Great Wave at Kanagawa Namiura. Imagine this picture is part of a movie. What will happen next? What is the great wave about to crash on? Can you spot the men huddled together in wooden fishing boats? Hokusai has drawn the great wave as if it were alive, with curling fingers reaching out to grab the boats. Do you see the many curving lines in the picture? Put your finger on top of the water on the right side of the picture. Now move your finger to the left, following the curving line up and under the big wave. Do you see how the line pushes up and around almost as if it wants to keep on until it makes a big circle? Now put your finger on the top of the water on the left side of the page and follow the curve along the top of the great wave. This line seems to want to keep going too. What kind of shape would it make?